MPIC Digital Healthcare arm MWell carried out its Independence Day mission in the remote area of Talim Island in Rizal. The details in this report by Mobile Journal, Merymon Reyes.
MWell, in partnership with the Philippine Coast Guard, healthcare workforces, organizations, and sponsors such as Huawei, traveled yesterday to Barangay Navotas, Talim Island, Rizal to deliver quality health and medical services, as well as health literacy to its residents. The goal for the Independence Day medical mission, ensuring nobody gets left behind when it comes to wellness.
Ang talaga pong gustong gawin ng MWell ay alagaan ang bawat Pilipino. Doesn't matter kung nasa syudad kayo or nasa isla.
Throughout the medical mission, consultations, general checkups, and laboratory tests were made like urinalysis and ECG, as well as dental, optometric, and veterinary services. Patients were also given reading glasses, eye drops, and medicines for free.
Nakakatulong po sa mga tao, lalo sa mga hayop. At talagang napakahirap dahil hanggat naglalakad sa hangin, wala kang bangka, kailangan punta ka pang bayan.
Yung pinalaki ko mga anak, mga sobrang hikain. Bago ka makapunta ng binangonan, talagang yung baby mo talagang wala na siya bago mo pa siya mapa-hospital. So maraming salamat po.
Awa po ng Diyos ay nakaano po sa salamin. Nakakakita po at nakakabasa.
MWell also gave the barangay's health workers its on-the-go bag or clinic in a bag, which contains a triage kit complete with a digital thermometer, oximeter, and blood pressure monitor. There's also a pocket Wi-Fi and a tablet from Huawei equipped with the MWell app and health passes for its constituents. For the continuing care to Talim Island residents, even after the medical mission concludes, the MWell teleconsultation platform was also introduced, wherein with the use of the MWell app, residents may be able to set an appointment and speak with a doctor online, anytime, anywhere. This could be done through video or audio call.
Sa pamamagitan ng technology, maibahagi na po natin ito. Sa isla man tayo, sa bundok, ma-access na po natin ang mga doktor. Tandaan po natin ay ang kalusugan ang ating puhunan.
MWell plans to set more medical missions across regions, especially those in far-fetched areas in the Philippines. Mobile journalist Merymon Reyes, we are One News.